Hello my kings and queens, and welcome back to another video. Usually I start my videos with the look, but today I will be just starting off with my fresh face and then I'm going to get into the look. Before I get into this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Join the queendom and become a king or a queen, and follow me on Instagram because I post more makeup videos and they're like short clips on there at @CMakeup, and follow my main Instagram at @andrea. In today's video, I will be showing you a nice spring look. This look is something that I made up a Snapchat with me on it, with it on my face, and I really liked it. And I'm like, it's different, it's very exotic, and it's like spring colors. So let's get to the video. For anyone wondering throughout this video, if you see these birds on my wrist, it's just a temporary tattoo. It was really cute to me, and so I just got it, but that's besides the point. Let's go. So as you guys know, my basic routine, I will do a video of my basic routine, like just my base, so I don't have to keep showing you guys on camera. But for those who don't know, since I don't really post a lot because I'm a new channel, I'm just gonna say it again. But I don't have to show all of it because you guys genuinely know like what I do, unless I change anything and get new products. So I start off by putting on my e.l.f. primer. Before I put on my primer, I usually put on a face lotion that keeps my skin hydrated. And I put that on even when I'm not wearing makeup. But that, like I said, is for another video. So subscribe for that video. Now I'm going to apply my foundation, which is the usual Fit Me foundation in the shade, I never remember, Golden Beige 240. And now my makeup my foundation looks really shiny and kind of cakey, so I'm going to blend it some more with a brush. This is just a large spoon brush. Now I usually don't do anything next until I do my eyebrows, and as you guys know, my eyebrows is my favorite thing of my makeup to do, so let's get into the brows. Now, of course, I can't just leave my brows like this, so I'm going to conceal and then I'm going to just brush them out. Once that is done, move the mirror, move mirror. Once that is done, I'm going to conceal my face. For my concealers, I mix two. I use the e.l.f. light color that is lighter than my skin, and then I use the Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, which is the color of my skin. And I mix those two together so I can have like the shades of light and dark on my face. Now I'm gonna contour. Now I'm going to bake, and this is something that I don't usually do but that I just started doing, and I realized that it really does change your makeup altogether. I bake with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I got this from James Charles because he uses this and it is really nice, and it smells like blush or like some type of like ladies perfume or something. So yeah, and you bake for 5 minutes. While I bake, I'm going to work on these spring eyes. To do the eyes, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. As you guys know, this is like my favorite one. And I'm just going to be using this color, as you can see, is used a lot, which is this burnt orange yellow color called Creamsicle. It is my favorite color, and when I'm going for a natural look every day, that's the color that I use. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. No transition shades, nothing but that color. Now I'm going to do wing liner, and I don't want this to really wing up, but I kind of want it to follow this eyeshadow. So it's going to be kind of up, but I want it to really be like kind of like straight. And I want it to be as thin as possible. As you guys know, I struggle with my wing liner on camera, so if you can see my mirror just a little bit for this part, it's because I need to see. Of course I mess up. It's okay, because I'm just going to cover it with some more of that color. Now that that is done, I'm just going to do the bottom color for my eyes. And to do that, I just use these two blues and I mix them together.
Peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me.
And now I'm just going to highlight.
I like it when you loving on me. I don't want to die for them to miss me. I guess I see.
And now just for mascara. And of course I use Roller Lash. And this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. Like I said in the beginning, subscribe and join the queendom by becoming a king or queen. Follow me on Twitter and like all my tweets, and also follow me on Instagram and like all of my pictures, and I will start doing shout outs on my Instagram stories, so get on that. Also check me out on the LookVine blog. I'll have the link down below in the description, but I was number 9 on the list and that was really good. Thank you to LookVine for having me on your blog. See you guys in the next video. Bye.